have a tower of 3 boxes to open up for you today. There are 2 handbags in here and 1 small leather good. They are all the same color. They are all scrumptious leather. And I haven't seen this color in person yet, but I knew from photos that I was going to love it. And I think a lot of you will too. So I went ahead and got 3 things. One of which, the very last piece, is extra special. So make sure you stay tuned till the end to see that. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe. Click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Now, this is a color that's not available on this company's website. You have to get it through their mystery boxes. Have you figured out what company it is yet? Let's open up this first piece and see if you can figure it out from that. In this box, all of which I ordered, did I just say this? I ordered all these on the resale market. They've got this wrapped nicely, extra paper to keep it safe, and the item is in here. And let's unfurl. Oh man, they've really got it wrapped up nice. Bubble wrap. They've got a sticker that says thank you for supporting my small business anytime. All right, let's see. Ooh, ah! That wasn't supposed to happen. Here we are. This is the Eclipse pouch. I think it may be the Total Eclipse. I'm not really sure which size it is, but this is in the color Plum, which is a deep purple, as I think you can see, and this is from Portland Leather Goods. Let's check out the inside. Ooh, that's also a beautiful deep purple. So their leathers are all top grain. This one is an opaque color, so it doesn't have any pull-up, which means you don't see variation in the color. And it's top grain leather, so the inside is the suede. It's the other side of the leather, and it is just scrumptious and beautiful. And they use YKK zippers. I heard somebody the other day say that if you have a zipper pull that doesn't say YKK, look inside and look at this little piece here. And I don't know that you can see it, but it is engraved YKK there. This is a beautiful color. I have somewhat recently, in the last year or so, gotten more into purples, and particularly these deep purples. It started, some of you may remember this, when I did an unusual kind of video that I don't usually do, which was a clothing haul. And I got a few deep purple things, and I loved how they looked on me. They really worked with my skin tone and all that. And I tend to stick with greens and blues, and then I'll do like black, white, brown, gray. But green has always been my color. But the purple, But now I have another actual color, not just neutrals, in my wardrobe. So I thought it would be good to add some bags, some other accessory pieces in these deep purples. So let's see what's in this one next. Pulling it out here. And how is this wrapped? It's a mystery. All right, I think I figured it out. Ta-da! This, ladies and gentlemen, is the mini crossbody tote from Portland Leather Goods. I will bring it closer. And of course, it is in plum. Oh gosh, look how pretty. That is a beautiful color. I'm really gonna love this. I knew I would from the photos that I saw, so I'm very glad I picked up these pieces. I'm especially glad I picked up the piece you're going to see next, which is really special, so stay tuned. There's the inside. The plum is a nice pebbled leather. There's the interior, no pockets on these minis. So it's pebbled tend to be their squishier leathers. This one does have a little more structure. This bag also has a zipper on top, which is really nice. And yeah, so this one I feel like I don't have to stuff when I store it. It just stands up on its own. Some of the other pebbles just fall over. This, despite what you just saw, doesn't really do that. Now, besides this plum, I do have 3 other examples of purples from Portland Leather Goods. So let me show those to you to give you a little comparison in case you're looking at purples. I don't have lilac and I don't have wisteria, but I do have mulberry, which looks much more pink on the screen than it is in real life. Maybe if I hold it back farther. No, it looks the same. I also have violet. This is more accurate. Violet is like an ultraviolet. It's a very bright kind of bluish purple. And I have lavender, which is pretty accurate on the screen there. Lavender is what you would think. It's lavender. It's a nice light purple, very pretty. Now let's see what's in this box, which despite it saying it's from LL Bean, is not. This is the very special bag. I'm excited to see it. There's a card. It says thank you with a sunshine. I hope you enjoy your new bag. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Emily. Emily has very kindly packaged it like this. Very pretty. And in here, oh my gosh, this combination. This is the Portland Leather Goods large classic tote without zipper, just open on the top, in plum with tandles. Have you been introduced to tandles yet? Tandles are handles that are tan. Here's this combination, this splendid, spectacular, scrumptious, beautiful, wonderful combination up close so you can see it better. Tandles are not sold on the Portland Leather Goods website. You can only get really, really dark brown handles from the totes that are sold on their site. These tandles make this bag a unicorn. Well, it was already a unicorn because of the purple not being sold on the site, but it's an extra special unicorn because of that. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. It would look great with the really dark handles too, but the tandles, yes, please. Okay, let's do a spin. So we got this. Now, you notice it's kind of squished. That's just because it's a squishy leather and it was squished in a bag or a box. Oh my gosh, look at that interior. That is so beautiful. It's this vivid purple. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. Here we have a little leather thing that unsnaps. You can hook your keys or whatever else to that. I have found with these really smushy leathers that if you hook keys there, it makes it like weighs the bag down. So I don't use it for that. Let's focus, camera. There we go. And on these big totes, there is a pocket on the back there. And that label says Portland Leather Goods. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And I wore this green on purpose because I think this looks great together. Oh, it does, I was right. Here it is on my shoulder, just so you can get a sense of the size of the bag. I find their large totes to be a little bit smaller than I want them to be. I haven't tried an oversized tote yet, but I'm going to get one and we're going to compare them because I feel like that would be really my ideal size, but those are much harder to come by, particularly in colors. Now, speaking of colors, here are all the purples that I just showed you. Mulberry, and then lavender, and then violet, and then the big tote is plum. Just so you can see those all together because that's helpful if you're looking at purples but you don't know which one to get. I do wish I had a lavender and a wisteria to show you, but I don't. This is all I have right now, so I hope that's helpful. I can't stop looking at this one. This is gorgeous. What is your favorite color combination or color family from Portland Leather Goods? Let me know in the comments section below, and let me know what else you would like to see from me regarding Portland Leather Goods or anything else on this channel. I read all the comments, I listen, I make notes, and then I try to make it happen. And I will of course have Portland Leather Goods linked below, so it makes it very easy for you to check them out. So make sure you go down to the description box and do that. They are so affordable, especially when you think about all the other bags that I tend to show on this channel, the luxury things like the Louis Vuitton and whatever. I was talking with Winnie recently about this, and everything I've purchased from Portland Leather Goods so far adds up to about one Louis Vuitton bag, and I have a ton of stuff from Portland Leather Goods right now, so it's like major bargains and really high quality leathers and so much variety. I'm having so much fun with this. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day.